Review sheet F, the first question. This is now the same as the previous one, except you've got context in all of them. So we start by after defining something. We are measuring the weights of the boys. X equals the weights of the boys in year 10. And I won't bother doing this fully every time, but you need to. The weights of the boys in year 10. And then we say, well, they are normally distributed. This little squiggle, normally distributed with a mean of 57.3 and the standard deviation of 10.19. Remember, in this little sentence here, you write 10.19 squared because this value here is quoted as the variance. And the question says, what's the probability that a boy is less than 58 kilograms? So we do 58, take away the mean, divided by the standard deviation, and that gives us that we're trying to find out that when Z is less than 0.07. Always draw the diagram here. 0.07, slightly to the right of halfway. The answer we're expecting is going to be slightly more than 50%. Look up 0.07 on your calculator, and you get 0.527. 0.52738. Next one, it's one of those between ones again. So we want the probability that X is between 56 and 59. Remember, the method of this is you say, well, how much is it less than 59? So what have I got all the way up to 59? And then I don't want all of that. I don't want the bits that are lower than 56. All the bits that are up to 56 are these ones here. Just do the conversions again, take away the mean and divide by the standard deviation. That one's 0.17, so the probability that Z is less than 0.17. This one here, 56, take away the mean and divide by the standard deviation. That's minus 0.13. Look those up on the calculators, tap in those in, that's 0.56749. And looking up the minus 0.13 ones, not sure what that one gives. But the answer when you get that is 0.11921. And let's just find out that one I was missing. I didn't write it down. So the probability of being less than minus 0.13 and the equals, what is it, 0.448. 0.448. I just didn't write that down when I was preparing for it. C, last one then, more than. So more than 50, so more than 54, probability that X is bigger than 54.8. Same as before, take away the mean and divide by the standard deviation, gives us minus 0.25. We want to be bigger than minus 0.25. We're looking at something like this part here. It's going to be bigger than 0.5, of course. So we're doing one take away the lookup value for this, and our final answer for that is 0.5987. Round it as required. I think the calculator gives you something slightly different. 0.59689 is what I got on my calculator. Just to try